Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Singh and I'm an obese and overweight guy, and I live alone and I'm actually struggling in my life. So today finally I have decided to change my life. So that's why I'm putting this thing on the social media or the internet to create a pressure on myself so that I can be consistent in the in my fitness journey, because without consistency nothing is possible. So that's why I am putting this on internet. Maybe this may create some pressure on myself that I have, and maybe because of this I remain consistent and do whatever is needed. Thank you.